Have you ever checked the loose coins hiding in your pocket, drawer, or old piggy bank and wondered if one of them could actually be worth hundreds of dollars? Today on CoinXplore, we're diving into the fascinating story of the 2009 Pilipinas 1 Piso coin, a small coin that has captured the attention of collectors around the world. And here's the big question. Could your 2009 1 Piso coin really be worth up to $315? Stay with me until the end because I'll explain the history, design, rare errors, collector demand, mint details, and the exact features that can make this simple Philippine coin extremely valuable. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CoinXplore, and turn on notifications so you never miss another rare coin discovery. The 1 Piso coin from 2009 was issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, also known as BSP. It belongs to the new design series of Philippine coins that circulated widely across the country for many years. This coin was produced mainly for everyday circulation, meaning millions of people used it for transportation, snacks, shopping, and daily expenses. Because of that, most people never imagined that some versions of this coin could become collectible treasures in the future. The coin features the national hero Jose Rizal on the front side and the seal of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas on the reverse side. Jose Rizal is one of the most respected heroes in Philippine history. He was a writer, doctor, and patriot who inspired the Filipino people during the Spanish colonial period. Having Rizal's portrait on the coin gives it strong historical and cultural significance. For collectors, coins featuring important national heroes often become more desirable over time. Let's look at the technical details of the 2009 1 Piso coin. The coin is made of nickel-plated steel and has a round shape. It weighs approximately 5.35 grams and measures around 24 millimeters in diameter. On the obverse side, you'll see Republika ng Pilipinas, the denomination 1 Piso, Jose Rizal's portrait, and the year 2009. On the reverse side, you'll find the official BSP seal with the words, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. These design elements helped make the coin recognizable across the Philippines for years. Now let's answer the question everyone is waiting for. Most regular 2009 1 Piso coins are still very common and usually worth only a small amount in circulated condition. Some collector websites value ordinary examples at under $1, depending on condition. But here's where things get exciting. Certain rare versions, mint condition coins, and error coins can attract serious collector interest and potentially sell for much higher prices. A 2009 1 Piso coin could reach extremely high values like $315 if it has rare, minting errors, exceptional uncirculated condition, proof-like surfaces, unique die varieties, off-center strikes, double die errors, or certified grading from companies like PCGS or NGC. In the coin collecting world, rarity and condition change everything. Let's talk about the mistakes that collectors love. Off-center strike. This happens when the coin design is not perfectly aligned during minting. Part of the image may appear shifted or missing. The more dramatic the error, the more valuable the coin can become. Double die error. This occurs when parts of the letters or numbers appear doubled due to minting mistakes. Collectors pay huge attention to these tiny details. Wrong planchet error. Sometimes a coin is accidentally struck on the wrong metal blank. If a 1 Piso coin is discovered on a different planchet, it can become extremely rare. Die cracks and misprints. Small cracks, unusual lettering, or strange textures can also increase collector demand. Some Philippine coin collectors actively search for unusual BSP coin varieties and errors in circulation today. Coin collecting has exploded online over the last few years. Videos about rare coins regularly receive millions of views because people love the idea that ordinary pocket change could contain hidden treasure. The 2009 1 Piso coin attracts attention because it's part of a popular Philippine series. Many varieties exist. Error coins are possible. High-grade examples are harder to find, and collectors enjoy completing year sets. Some collectors also search for coins with unusual lettering styles and die differences. Condition is everything in coin collecting. A heavily worn coin might only be worth face value, but an uncirculated coin with sharp details, original luster, and no scratches can become far more valuable. Collectors often use grading terms like G good, VF, very fine, XF, extremely fine, AU, about uncirculated, MS, mint state. Coins graded MS 65 or higher by professional grading companies can command premium prices. So before spending your old coins, always inspect them carefully. Here's some quick tips. Use a magnifying glass. Check for doubled letters or numbers. Look for unusual color or weight. Inspect the edges carefully. Compare your coin with online collector references. Store valuable coins in protective holders. And never clean old coins. Cleaning can actually reduce collector value dramatically. Philippine coins have become increasingly popular among international collectors because of their beautiful designs and historical importance. Collectors from the United States, Europe, and Asia often search online marketplaces looking for rare Philippine coin varieties. That global interest helps increase demand for special examples. Imagine finding a rare 2009 1 Piso coin in your old collection. A coin most people ignore could actually become a collectible item worth serious money. That's why checking your spare change has become a real hobby for millions of people worldwide. And honestly, the thrill of the hunt is one of the best parts of coin collecting. The 2009 Pilipinas 1 Piso coin may look ordinary at first glance, but certain rare versions and mint errors could make it highly collectible. While most examples are common circulation coins, special high-grade or error pieces can attract strong prices from collectors. So the next time you see a 1 Piso coin dated 2009, don't spend it too quickly. It might just be a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever found a rare coin in your pocket change? And would you pay $315 for a rare 1 Piso coin? Thanks for watching CoinXplore, and I'll see you in the next rare coin adventure.